Good morning, kids. This is Grandma Freeman, and today is Sunday, June 17th, and I want to talk about meal planning. I received this meal planning magnetic board from Veterans of Foreign Wars. It was a gift sent to me, and this week is going to be rather busy. I'm going to be taking care of my two older grandchildren, and I'll be at their house. So, part of the week. I'll be there Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and again on Sunday. So, as you can see, I'm going to either have leftovers tomorrow for dinner or eat at Paul's house. Sometimes they invite me, and it depends on how I feel and how late it is when they all get ready to eat. And then Tuesday, I'm going to make a pot of chili beans and some coleslaw because I'll be at home. And Wednesday, I'll be back over to the kids' house, and I'll be having leftovers if I eat at home. And then Thursday, I will probably eat at Paul's or come home and have a quick baked potato with the spinach topping or maybe with some beans on top. And then Friday, I think I will fix some salmon patties and air fry some potatoes and then have maybe mixed vegetables or some sort of vegetable with that. And then Saturday, I have hot dogs and buns, so I'll have that, and I'll have some sauerkraut with either air fried potatoes or I don't know, something else, maybe another vegetable. And then Sunday, I'll probably eat at Paul's or come home and have some sort of leftovers or figure something out. Maybe I'll stop and pick up something on my way home from Kentucky Fried Chicken or somewhere. And then what's nice about this particular meal planner is that of course, it's on my refrigerator right now. You can see that. And I like it because it has priorities. So I list my priorities for the week. It'll be childcare, and I list the days that I'll be there all day because it's summer. And this is the week that summer officially begins, towards the end of the week. However, here in Southeast Texas, summer has already begun, and we're having very high temperatures, going almost into 3-digit Fahrenheit temperature. And then also I follow the Fly Ladies system, and this week is Zone 4, and then I need to clean the master bedroom and the bathroom, also declutter those areas. And then I'm focusing on priorities this week. Priorities are those things that we have to do, those things that are necessary. And so I'm focusing on priorities because the weather is so hot, I cannot work very long or labor very much at all. Okay, so, and then also I'm only going to I'm only going to do what absolutely needs to get done, and I'm going to minimize my workload. And I'll probably be doing a little bit of decluttering as I go along in the bedroom. And also, I have washed the insides and curtains, the bedroom, my sewing room curtain already, but I didn't get to my bedroom windows and curtains. So that's also on my list for this week. And that's going to have to be on Tuesday when I'm at home. And also maybe, again, I'll probably clean the master bathroom on Friday when I'm home again, and Saturday. Saturday, I kind of, want to relax for a while and do the things I enjoy. So that's my schedule, and this is kind of tentative because, I'm going to be out of the house three days during the week, and then on Sunday, I'll be there all day, and I'll be taking care of all 4 kids. All 4, and 2 of them, one is 4 and the other one is about 6 months. So I'm going to be quite busy. So I'm going to try to squeeze my housework and anything else that comes up inside of those days off. So that's it for now, and this is a great idea. I used to use a notepad and just write it on each week on a separate pad. And I've been so busy trying to get my garden ready for the summer and get weeds pulled. Weeds, I hate that job, but I had to do some weed pulling. And I have a new lawn mowing guy that comes over on Tuesdays. So I'll be home on Tuesday, and that'll be great because I'll be able to, I don't know. Anyway, that's not important, but it is important that somebody comes and mows my lawn. So this is it for today. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Please like and subscribe. Bye now.